Hello everyone. I'm happy that you stopped in to watch today's video. I appreciate your continued support of the channel. Today's video involves another headlight restoration kit. If you recall, I used the turtle wax version on the Avalanche in a previous video. This video covers the Griots version, a headlight restorer with ceramic coating properties. The manufacturer recommends using this product when oxidation is in a moderate state. The qualities of this product: protects for life, guaranteed. There is a two-step process. The entire process should take no more than 30 minutes. Cure time: 60 minutes before driving or exposing to water. Content of the kit: 2 oxidation removing cloths, 2 ceramic headlight coating wipes, and 2 application gloves, which you'll wear the whole time. It's recommended that you have a spray bottle or some type of water source and towels on hand to manage residue or excess product. And the application of the product is best suited for the shade. Today, the application is going to occur on the taillights of a 1992 Toyota MR2. That's right, the taillights. I want to see how well the product works as well there. Notice the before status of the taillight. You'll see a haze or a cloudiness. I recommend that before applying the product, tape off the area. Use a cleaner to remove the dirt from the taillights. In applying the products, follow the instructions within the kit. If the oxidation remover gets on the paint, wipe it off immediately. Note, you want to complete step 1 on both taillights before proceeding to step 2. In step 1, the oxidation remover, keep the pad folded while applying moderate pressure when scrubbing, using a scrubbing motion, and the white will turn yellow and soiled during the oxidation removal from the lens. Allow the product to dry completely before proceeding to step 2. In step 2, you're going to apply the ceramic coating headlight headlight coating. Keep the wipe folded. Apply little to no pressure. Wipe in one direction with a 50% overlap, as you'll notice in the video. And as I mentioned before, allow 60 minutes minimum before driving or exposing to moisture. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this application process. Please like the video. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification so that you can be notified when I upload further videos in the future. Thank you.